Hello, and welcome to this video. Your heart is one of the hardest working muscles in your body, and it plays a vital role in keeping you healthy. In order to keep your heart healthy and functioning properly, it is important to take care of it. In this video, we will discuss some tips on how to improve your heart health. Tip 1. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is essential to maintaining a healthy heart. Exercise helps improve blood flow, boost blood pressure, and manage cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise on most days of the week. You can choose to go for a walk, swim, or jog. Find what works for you and make it a part of your routine. Regular exercise also helps you maintain a healthy weight, which is important for heart health. Exercise can help you burn calories and build muscle, making it easier to maintain a healthy body weight. Tip 2. Eat a balanced diet. The food you consume affects your heart health. A balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein is key. Avoid foods high in saturated and trans fats, and limit your intake of salt and sugar. Eating a healthy diet can help you maintain a healthy weight, control your blood pressure, and manage your cholesterol levels. It can also reduce your risk of developing heart disease. Tip 3. Quit smoking. Smoking is harmful to your heart health and can lead to various heart diseases. If you're a smoker, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your heart and overall health. Seek support from friends, family, or a healthcare professional to help you quit. Quitting smoking can improve your heart health and reduce your risk of heart disease. It can also improve your lung function and reduce your risk of developing other health problems. Tip 4. Manage stress. Stress, anxiety, and depression can negatively impact your heart health. Find ways to manage stress, such as practicing mindfulness, doing yoga, or spending time with loved ones. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Stress can lead to high blood pressure and heart disease. Managing your stress can help you reduce your risk of developing these health problems. Tip 5. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for a healthy heart. Lack of sleep can lead to high blood pressure, weight gain, and other heart problems. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep a night and establish a bedtime routine to help you fall asleep more easily. Getting enough sleep can help you manage your stress levels, improve your overall health, and reduce your risk of heart disease. In conclusion, incorporating these tips into your lifestyle can help you maintain a healthy heart and reduce your risk of heart diseases. Remember to exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, quit smoking, manage your stress, and get enough sleep. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to take care of your heart.